In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell in Trading 212. We'll walk through exactly how to sell on the desktop or web version, whether you're using an investor stocks account or working with CFDs. I'll also explain the different order types so you can choose the option that fits your plan. If you own shares or ETFs in an investor stocks account, start by going to your portfolio. Click the stock or asset you want to sell, then choose Sell. You can decide how much to sell either by entering the number of shares or by typing the value you want to cash out. When you're happy with the amount, click Review Order to double-check the details, then click Sell or Confirm to place it. If you use a market order here, the platform will execute it right away at the best available price. Keep in mind, the final fill price can move slightly due to market conditions, especially in fast-moving markets. Next, let's quickly break down how you want to sell. A market sell is the simplest and fastest. It aims to fill immediately at the current market price and is ideal for a quick exit when speed matters more than precision. A limit sell gives you control by letting you set a target price. The order will only execute if the price reaches that level. For example, if a stock is trading at $50, you can place a limit sell at $55, and it will only sell once that price is hit. This is helpful for locking in profit without watching the screen all day, but remember, it may not execute if the price never reaches your limit. You can also protect your downside with an automatic sell using a stop loss. Set a stop price below the current market price, and the position will sell automatically if the stock drops to that level. This is a straightforward way to limit potential losses without manual intervention. If you're trading CFDs, the process is different. Go to Portfolio and open your open positions, find the trade you want to exit, then click Close Position or the X icon. Confirm to close it, and your position will be sold instantly. You're not selling owned shares here, you're closing a contract. A few final tips. Market sells are fast, but can vary in price. Limit sells offer control, but aren't guaranteed to fill. If your shares are inside a pie, you may need to remove or adjust them before selling. And you can always sell partially instead of closing everything at once.